Hello guys, RiderTech here. I was going to talk to you guys about a topic that I found interesting. I was reading Reddit the other day and I came across a topic on how do I call it? What? Okay. In Moto UK, it's a motorcycles Reddit for the UK folks, and they were talking about earplugs and why you should use it, why you shouldn't use it, and stuff like that. And I found interesting that some people were against earplugs while riding a motorcycle. And I'm talking to you guys about that because I think that you should use them. It should be one of the first things you buy as a motorcyclist. It's a pair of earplugs, even if it's only those phonies that you can use once and put them away. Even those are better than nothing, because riding a motorcycle can lead to hearing loss. It's very common, and besides hearing loss, you can also have a disease called Tinnitus. I think that's how it's called in English. And basically it's like not white noise, but like a buzzing sound permanently on your head. And if you get that, there's no going back. You will have it for the rest of your life. And it's very simple to use some kind of earplugs and prevent that kind of thing, just because you want to be cool and you don't want to put anything in your ears. It's very simple. Myself, I use an Alpine pair. I will put a link in the description. There's a kit from Amazon that has two pairs, one for touring, one for sport. They basically have different tuning. They are Alpine is a company that does a lot of stuff for music and stuff like that, and they have a special silicone earplug that filters only the higher frequency or the damaging frequencies that damage your hearing, and you can have a normal conversation, a little bit muted, but very, very normal, and you have no problem to have it. And I hope you can hear with all this wind. And you have no problem to talk and drive with it. You can hear everything around you. They are very good. So if you are looking for some kind of earplugs, I recommend those. They are not one use only. You need to clean them and you can keep use them, and when they start to gunk up, you just need to buy a pair again. But they are very, very good, so I recommend them. And that's it. My 2 cents on the topic of should you wear earplugs or not, and my answer is yes, you should. It's one of the things that there should not be any controversy about, but you live and learn. So anyway, fucking hell. Anyway, see you guys, and please subscribe.